Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to join the AUT Discord trading server. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. First, you'll need to locate the official invitation link for the server. Once you have that link, simply click on it, and Discord will guide you through the next steps. Make sure your Discord account is verified beforehand for a smooth experience. After joining, your next step is to navigate the server and complete any necessary verification. Most trading servers have specific rules you must agree to, often found in a dedicated channel. This ensures a safe and fair environment for everyone. Follow the on-screen prompts or instructions provided by the server's bots to gain full access to all channels. Once verified, you'll gain access to the core trading channels. These are typically organized by asset type or discussion topic. Take some time to explore the different channels, such as price discussion or trade offers, to find what interests you most. Remember to engage respectfully and follow all server etiquette to maintain a positive trading community. To ensure a successful and safe experience, always exercise caution. Conduct your own thorough research before making any trades, and be wary of unsolicited direct messages from unknown users. If you encounter any suspicious activity or feel uncomfortable, report it immediately to the server moderators. Your safety and security are paramount in the trading community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.